Hey there, what's going on? Chris Cervantez, eHomes, coming at you with the monthly market update for the city of Verne for the month of February. It's a super interesting time in the market. Traditionally speaking, we're coming off of the holiday season and we'll generally start ramping up as far as tons of homes start being listed during this time. Really, the peak of our market, the spring selling season, will be in May, traditionally speaking. However, right now it's pretty unusual time. Specifically because we're going to get into the active homes on the market in Verne right now. There are only 14 homes for sale in all of Verne compared to, and I think this is going to help shed the light on really what's happening in our city, is that in August there were 50 homes on the market. It went from 50 in August, 44 in September, 37 in October, 24 in November, and here we are after the holiday season. We're at even less homes on the market than there were back in September and August, by more than half. That's actually creating a pretty unusual time in that the absorption rate is the amount of inventory that we have in relationship to how many homes are actually selling. In the last 30 days, we've had 15 homes sell. Granted, we only have 14 homes on the market. If we continue at this pace, it's still what I would describe as a seller's market in Verne. Even though interest rates are not helpful at all right now, interest rates just took a turn for the worse. They were trending downward from October until February 2nd of this year, a couple weeks ago. And unfortunately, the jobs report and the inflation data that came out shot them back up. So now we're knocking back on the door of 7% again. I think that's going to scare off a lot of buyers. But here's the thing, Verne's still a desirable area to live, and you're going to have buyers come out, and the few homes that are on the market, the sellers that do decide to sell, they're going to get offers. They're going to be able to sell their house because it's still a desirable city to live in. There's just nothing for sale. So if somebody actually comes up on the market, it's going to sell. The data that the average days on market is not reflective of that, but there are several homes that have come on the market here lately that have been selling within 7 days. The average days on market right now for all of Verne is 47 days. Compared to last year, it was 13 days. The total amount of homes in escrow right now, 26. The median sales price is actually down substantially, but I think it's a little bit of a misleading metric. I think I need to start shifting to a different measurement. Year over year, prices are down by 17% in Verne, but I feel like that's misleading because there were 10 million plus $1 million sales last year. In the past 30 days, there have only been 3 homes above $1 million that have sold. So the data feels a little skewed. Is it across the board? All the pricing is down. Yes, but I don't think it's 17%. So I'll address that in a future video. But nonetheless, Mortgage News Daily is reporting at 6.88% as of today. So that's definitely not going to be great for buyers out there, but there will be buyers that will attack the market no matter what. And the list price to sales price ratio, which I think this is a really good metric to observe, because out of the 15 homes that sold in Verne in the past month, homes are selling 1.25% above the asking price. That's pretty surprising because you would think, given what's been happening here in the market, that would still be, homes are selling below the asking price. But that's just not the case. That's not what the data is showing. Interesting times. We'll see how things develop here in the coming weeks as the market now shifts or it gets used to the higher interest rates. But yeah, any questions about the market or what you're working with regards to real estate, please leave in the comments below, or of course feel free to reach out to me directly. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.